Well, you lost an edge there that came right out. Get up now, let's see, get up by yourself.
Let me straighten your skates first. Okay.
That's okay, you get up by yourself next time.
Oh, you get up next time. Don't worry. That's not the last time you're going to be on the ice. Not fast, just good. Without falling.
Don't worry about fast. Good girl. Wow!
Okay, all by yourself.
Oh.
Oh, try again. Keep your feet together. It's so funny.
Oh! No, you're tired, that's why.
There, you did it.
Good girl. Good skating, Lee.
Maybe. I don't know, Lee.
I got the longest skate of the night on tape.
Good.
Good
You're going all the way
job.
to the